The 2024 Construction Rodeo was held at the Regional Skilled Trade Solutions Center at Western Piedmont Community College March 20th. 78 high school students from around the region competed in various construction skill drills for a chance to win prizes. The event was designed to spark interest in skilled trades careers. Now, the Western Piedmont Foundation is seeking sponsors for next year's competition taking place March 19th, 2025.
We were seeing a huge lack of people, especially young people, in the construction trades, and so decided to create this event to sort of excite and motivate people, especially young people, in the trades. The construction rodeo is really a skills competition in the trades. And when we say trades, we're really talking about a lot of different things. We're talking about carpentry, masonry, plumbing, heating and air conditioning, basic electrical, heavy equipment operation. So we'll typically have about 8 to 10 different stations. In each station, the students can perform a task, oftentimes, or almost always, using their hands. Sometimes it might be reading a blueprint to analyze an engineering drawing or a construction drawing, but oftentimes it's hands-on, using a power drill or hammering nails or measuring off a stairway.
Construction rodeo gives students a taste of what's coming up in the construction trades. Not all of the high schools touch on electrical or plumbing or even HVAC. They just do carpentry. So this gives them, just a small moment to try something different. And maybe they like that better, and they can go down that route. We get them through the rodeo and they get a taste of every little thing, then they can kind of look forward into their futures to see as to what they really want to do.
We have various prizes, and typically they've included a Western Piedmont Foundation scholarship for $500 to be used towards tuition. A typical top scoring student might win that scholarship, and they might win 4 or 5 really high-end power tools and a few other tools. Almost every student walks away with something, and typically every student that participates gets a really nice tool belt and a hammer and a scale and a few other things, and usually a custom t-shirt that we designed for the event. So again, even though it's a competition, we stress that every student is a winner just for showing up. A lot of schools, like Western Piedmont, we have open houses and things like that, but this is a hands-on competition at our facility. So it's really the ultimate type of engagement event for young people. Our donors, they are there in different capacities. Sometimes they help run a station, but they usually have a booth. And there are times during the event where the students can go meet with the representatives to talk about career opportunities there. And I believe every one of these events we've ever had, either a student was hired on the spot or that meeting led directly to them being hired in some kind of trades capacity. It elevates their feeling about the trades. And that's huge. Slowly but surely, we've seen more of those students coming to Western Piedmont, whether they be in Burke County or an outside county, to pursue further education, and we really want them to do that. And the trades, the employers want them to do that too, and we offer 2-year degrees and certificates and a full spectrum of opportunities for those students.
I have 2 students now that are currently that were in the construction rodeo and here because of the rodeo. So it's made a positive impact on our student body.
And we have seen our numbers grow at Western Piedmont. There was a time before we started this and some other related initiatives like our new building, our new Regional Skilled Trades Solution Center, which is an impressive facility where we hold the event now. We've gone from single digits, 4 or 5 active students 5 or 6 years ago, to we're right around 50 students right now. And we have room for and need more, and industry needs more, but we've made huge strides, and I think this has been a part of that. I've heard from all employers that they struggle to get people, especially young people, and I have learned, and I have tried to convey this to our partners, that they have to get in the game. And in this case, this is the game. If they will become a sponsor and a participant in the event, they're going to get right in front of these students. And, you know, we're going to have 100 students, local young people that are interested in this field already. And what better time to make connections with those people for potential employees?
The biggest thing right now is people are retiring, and we are not filling those spots in. Last year, there were 6 plumbers, licensed plumbers, that either retired or passed away. And last year alone in Burke County, we only had 1 to get his license. So if we don't, our infrastructure is going to fall through. Each business owner out there has a building or a house that must be maintained, and if they don't know how to do it, they're going to have to call construction trades to come and fix it. And if we don't get the students involved with that, we're not going to have anybody around that's going to be qualified to do it.
Students, young people in those fields can do as well as anybody else in their career with a trades background and trades education. Engaging these people early is critical to keep them excited in it.